welcome back to Jessi FIT Pilates, your home to get fit, toned, and flexible as we strengthen, stretch, and smile. We are here today with a yoga strap workout. It is going to really focus on some shoulders and some arms. I'm using the loop strap from Everstretch, but you can really use any sort of yoga strap, or you can use a towel or an old pair of leggings, something like that if you don't have one. I'm going to start today with my feet about shoulder distance apart, and I'm going to find a good tension that I can maintain. So you want to keep the strap tight as we do these, and I'm just going to actually go a little wider than that. Reach my arms back, keeping my shoulders down. I'm going to take the arms up and keeping the strap taut. You might not be able to see how taut it is just because the straps are, there's loops. And bringing your hands closer together will definitely make this harder, more challenging. Taking your hands further apart will make it easy. I can really feel a stretch in my chest. Let's do 3 more. And maybe bring them a little closer. One more time. Now, I'm going to show you just the side view. I'm going to take my arms up and I'm going to bend to the side, around. I'm going to keep the strap taut and back. So I'm going to make a big torso circle, down, around, side, back, side. Really just mobilizing through my body. And then the other way. So I'm going to come towards you, side, bend, up, other side, back. One more time. Now I'm going to hold it here and I'm going to bring one leg down, right? And I'm going to do the same thing in the lunge. And then other directions, so just 2 in each direction. And then hold it until you come up, right? So forward, bend, back, around, forward, side, back, other direction, towards you, back, side, right? You can always use something to hold on. And I'm going to step it in and I'm going to find the other side. You'll probably start to feel your shoulders working, and towards you, forward, side, back, side, forward, side, back. Now other direction, back, side, forward, and let's take it up. Side, back, side, forward, and other side. Now from there, I'm going to bring both feet together. I'm going to take a deep breath in. I'm going to reach the arms way back behind me. And I'm going to bring my body into a forward bend. So I'm going to send my chest towards my thighs, and I'm going to reach this up. I'm going to bring my hands even closer together. Take a big, deep stretch here. Another deep breath in. Maybe you want to bend and stretch the knees a few more times. Keep reaching the chest open. Press into your toes. And now I'm going to come all the way down to the mat. And I'm going to lay flat. I'm going to reach my arms out in front. And I'm going to loop in for these. And I'm going to draw my shoulder blades off my ears. And I'm going to raise my arms up and down a few times. Keeping tension on the strap. And I think we're going to go a little wider for this next one. Because I'm going to lift, bend, and stretch. Now, using one of the loops, loop your foot. And press the knee down and just pull the heel to your butt. Maybe lift up and down a few times. And then maybe lift that chest. Now let's change sides. I'm just gonna flip onto my back. I'm gonna switch the loop around. I'm gonna bring my knees together. And I'm gonna pull my heel in towards my bum. Keep my hips pressing down. And maybe lift and lower the knee. And then maybe lift the chest. Keep the knees together. Now I'm going to take the strap. Now flip over and bring this around your foot. And flip onto your stomach. You can twist it because we're going to loop and just take one final stretch there. And let that go. Now we're going to use the wall. So I'm going to inch pretty close. You can use a little bit of padding to the wall. And I'm going to bring my legs up. I'm just going to hold here for a few seconds, neutral spine, and flex my toes. Just let my hips sink down. And then I'm going to loop one foot. And I'm just going to pull it in and just pull it towards me. Big deep stretch. And from there, I'm just going to bring the leg towards the wall and away. And then from here, I'm just going to slide up and down a few times. And then I'm going to pull it back in and just hold. Maybe you can circle the ankle a few times. And then the other direction. And I'm going to switch feet now. This is definitely my tighter side. My hips are against the wall. Pulling that leg towards me. And then I'm going to put the leg to the wall and then kind of gently stretch it. Leg to the wall, stretch. Then I'm going to press it to the wall and just slide it down and up, little heel slides. And then I'm going to finally pull it towards me nice and deep. From there, I'm just going to circle the ankle. And then other way. I'm going to roll off to my side. I hope you enjoyed this nice, quick yoga strap workout. If you have any suggestions for my next video, I take requests. Let me know. If it's your first time you're here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the blog.